Okay guys, here's your geometry quiz number 6. Write your name, the date, and the period at the top. Please make sure you write your answers on the lines, and emphasis on the whole part of the directions that say show all necessary work. So you gotta show your work, or else Mr. Houston will count that wrong. So let us begin here with the first set of problems. Let's see what we've got here. What kind of a pointer do we want to use today? I think in honor of Star Wars, we should go with the lightsaber. So, questions 1 through 4, find the missing length or angle that is given for ABC is congruent to DEF. So these two triangles right here, they are congruent. They're equal. So number 1 wants to know what is the length of DE. All right. So right here's D to E. You need to think about over here in this other triangle, who's the corresponding side that goes along with him? All right. It's given over here. It's one of them. Which one would be corresponding? Also, don't be fooled that, these two triangles, they're kind of rotated and flipped around a little bit. Okay, just like we can rotate and flip around our lightsaber. Okay. Number 2 wants to know the measurement of EF. That's right here. Okay. Number 3, actually, I'm kind of tired of the lightsaber. Let's switch to the red arrow. Number 3 wants to know angle B. Okay. How many degrees is angle B? And number 4 wants to know how many degrees is angle C. Okay. Again, they're corresponding with somebody on the other triangle. You just got to figure out which part. In question number 5, you got to write a congruence statement. So when we write a congruence statement, you're just going to say, okay, triangle, let's say it's, X, Y, Z is congruent with triangle L, M, and N. That's pretty crappy N, but you know what I mean. Okay, and make sure you go in the right order. Okay, you need to remember that as well. So if you start and you say A, C, D, okay, you need to make sure you're going the same way around the triangle when you label these. So like L would correspond with X, Y with M, Z with N. Okay, that's number 5. Number 6 and 7. If I can move, hold on a second, guys. Okay, back to 6 and 7 here. Decide whether there is enough information to show that the triangles are congruent. So are they congruent? Yes or no? If they are, state the postulate. Now, remember your postulates that we taught you this week are going to have either side, 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 angle, side, angle, or, whoops, where's my eraser? There it is. Or angle, angle, side. Those are your 4 choices. Okay? And remember, this guy here in the middle that's being shared, okay, he's going to be a part of both of them. Also remember, if that one side is 90, so is the other side. Okay, so for each of them, 6 and 7, you say yes or no, and then you tell us if which of the postulates it is. All right, number 8, 9, and 10. Our task is to tell whether the side is included, not included, between the given angle. So in number 8, AB, that's who we're talking about. So let's kind of highlight AB right here. This segment here. Is he between ABE, which would be ABE, this angle here, and angle E? Is that segment in between? This segment, is he in between these two angles? All right, that's number 8. Number 9 says angle CD. So CD is here. And is he between angle E, which again is up here, and, or I'm sorry, that's wrong. My bad. Not angle E. CD, is he between angle C and angle D? All right, is that segment in between C and D? And lastly, number 10, B to E. It's going to be this segment right here. Is he in between angles E and angle ABE, which is right here, that would be this angle? Is BE in between those two angles? It's just you write included or not included on the lines, okay? All right, number 11 and 12, it says, tell whether there's enough information to show that the triangles are congruent. So are they equal? If so, state the postulate. So again, your four choices are side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, or angle, angle, side. All right, and again, when you're doing these, you know, like I've talked to you in class, mark at. So see, I have an angle here and an angle here. Whoops. Those aren't angles. Those are sides. Silly me. Side here and a side here. And you go around. But remember, you need 3 pieces of evidence because you've got 3 letters in each one of these. Okay? If you don't have 3, then they're not congruent. You just write no. That's for 11 and 12. Okay, gang. Numbers 13, 14, 15, 16 is about the proof here. We're talking about this drawing right here. So here's number 13, there's 14, there's 15, and 16. Now you still write your answers up above in the blanks. You could also write them down here too, just to kind of help you visualize what we're dealing with. I've given you a word bank over here to the side. There's 4 blanks, there's 4 different choices. You've got corresponding angles, given. Segment BC is parallel to segment DE, and then angle, angle, side. All right, those are the answers to the 4 blanks. It's just a matter of which one goes where. Okay. Also, you need to make sure that you look at this given information very carefully first. Okay. And as you go through, make sure all the parts of the triangle are marked that you need. Because remember, to prove if 2 triangles are congruent, we need 3 pieces of evidence. Okay? So, and yes, that's my cell phone you hear in the background. All right, so that's 13, 14, 15, 16. I've given you this word bank here. Hopefully it'll help you out. If you have any questions, just give me a call. Okay, gang, I guess that's the end of the quiz. I was looking for more, but the boss over here says that's it. So check over everything carefully. Take your time. All right, I want to see you do well. So have a good rest of the day. Bye-bye.